How to change your view mode on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your view mode on MX Player easily. First thing, go to the app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots. Click here, not the three dots. Click here on this icon and now choose your view mode. From here you have three options, for example all folders, or just files. For example, I'm going to choose folders. Click done. Now as you can see, you will see only the folders easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.